You'll see how these changes that I'm going to show you have significantly improved the competitiveness of our product, the Incada product, in the folding boxboard area. So as we move through them in the right direction, just to go through some of the changes that we've made to Incada Silk and Incada XL, quite a significantly improved whiteness and brightness on the print side. And those are the samples you've got in front of you there, but I will show you some actual comparisons of new and old as we go through. We've also got an improved smoothness, ply bond, inter-ply bonds, and IGT printability that we're able to introduce at the same time. And I think these are further complemented by an enhanced Robinson taste specification for sensitive areas such as confectionery. So maximum statistically highest value you can have 0.6, or lowest value you can have 0.6, which we will guarantee. Incada XL specifically now, we've worked on the yield and the stiffness, so there are quite significant improvements in stiffness, and that has required the introduction of a new grammage and thickness range, which we'll give you a little bit of information on as well. But you'll probably want to know, after we've done the celebrations, okay, you'll probably want to know how we've achieved this. What work have we put in to do this? Now, you'll have been in quality control just on the last stop, and Susanna will have said something about the development work we've been doing. That's extended through the process optimization, from the pulp mill down the far end, which you won't have got through to yet, but the pulp mill right through to the reel up, which is just outside the door here. But at the same time, we mustn't forget the work we've done in finishing. We've been around finishing, and we've got some improved palletisation, presentation to reels as well as pallets, sheets. The pulp mill has had a very significant investment quite recently, recently completed, about a £3.5 million investment, €4 million say, and that's enabled us to have much better control over the fibres that we're producing there, the mechanical pulp fibres. And these then are combined with chemical pulp fibres on the board machine. The coating improvement, the coating development work, is where we get the whiteness from, and that is the clearly visible, biggest visible change that you'll see with the products we've done here, and at no expense to the maintaining the solidity of the surface that we achieved with our last development. Product design is where we bring those 5 plies together, the 3 mechanical pulp fibres plies in the middle layers, and the 2 chemical pulp layers in the outer layers. We bring those together on the board machine, and the way we combine those, the way we treat the fibres in each of those layers, is the way we maximise, or how we maximise the stiffness. So just to give you a little bit of a summary on the changes, the key messages. Firstly, it is the outstanding optical properties that we've managed to achieve. There's a few samples we're going to hand round. The lighting conditions in here are not the best for observing this sort of thing, but I'm hopeful that you'll be able to see what we've managed to achieve on the print side. If you just pass them around. Okay, these are, this is Incada Silk, new at the top I think, and old at the bottom. Just in case you didn't notice, it is the same for Incada XL as well. The print surfaces of both products are identical. I hope you agree with what you've seen there, with what I've said there anyway, but not the best lighting conditions, I'm afraid.
Great difference. Great difference. Yeah. Right direction.
Good, thank you very much.
That you can see in this slide.
Yeah, well, that's what pleased me actually. Look, you can see it in here as well. Yeah. So the other big change is stiffness for Incada XL. It has meant a new grammage thickness range. As a consequence, you can't have one without the other really. So we have, at the lower grammages, we've increased, or should I say we've reduced the grammages by 5 to 10 grams at the same thickness and stiffness. So there's a 5 to 10 gram increase in yield there. At the higher grammages, it's a 10 to 15% stiffness increase, which is also very, very significant. And a new grammage further up the range at 350 grams, 640 micron. So quite significant improvements there. Complemented, of course, by the exceptional printability and surface properties of Incada. We have enhanced the specifications for those as well. And to add the Robinson taint value for confectionery and other such areas, giving us a best-in-class performance, or complementing that already existing best-in-class performance. But very important that we control the pulping process, ball machine process, to achieve that. And then we add to that our sustainability credentials, which Ian will now take you through.